Welcome. If you want to block ads on your Alcatel One 2019, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Opera Mini, click install. Right now we can open, click on the continue 2 times, accept the permission. Okay, we don't want to customize it right now. Tap on this Opera Mini icon in the right corner and we have to check if ad blocking is turned on. So it is right now, and we can enter maybe this website. We don't want to switch to the reader mode. And as you can see, here we get the notification that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So we can accept it, and right now when you scroll down, we cannot find here any ads, as you can see. And when you click here one more time, we can see how many ads were blocked, and currently we got 11 ads blocked. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.